Alright, what's going on everybody? So today I'm going to show you how to set up a ticketing system at home for free through Jira, and then I'm going to show you how to actually submit tickets with this. So first, you could just go to your search engine and type in Jira, and then you can go ahead and click on the first link. Once you're at this page, you can click Get It for Free at the top right-hand corner, and then you can go ahead and set up your account. I've already set up my account, so I'm not going to go through the account setup process, but basically it's just going to ask for an email address, and it's going to ask you to specify a specific website name. Like I've set mine to gonefishing.atlassian.net. You can set yours to whatever you want, as long as it's available. It'll let you set it. It won't require any credit card information, right? So it's not like a 7-day trial or a 1-month trial. You can use this as long as you want, and you can have as much as 3 agents and 10 users. So it's very useful for getting some hands-on experience if you're trying to break into IT and boost up your resume. But anyways, after you've created your account, you're not going to be redirected to this interface right here. It's going to be a very bare bones interface. It's going to basically prompt you to start creating a project, and then when you go to your projects, it's basically just going to say, create a new project now, or you don't have any projects. To fix that, if you want this interface that I'm using right here, simply go back to Jira, where you first went, back to the home page, and then go to templates. All right, once you're at templates, you can scroll down, go to IT operations. Scroll down, you can click this one right here, IT service management queues. You're going to click on that. Then you're going to click use template. It should let you select the site that you initially created. If for some reason it doesn't, then try clicking start a new site and then create a page, and then it should prompt you with creating like a team name and a whole bunch of other things. And then once you fill out the following form, you'll be redirected to this page right here based on the, you'll have your little name, your service project name, whatever you named it, and you'll be ready to submit tickets. And so the next step is to go ahead and submit a ticket. So you can either hit report an incident here, or you can click create up here. It's going to auto input the first 2 fields. It should, at least. With the help desk plugins, and then the issue type is going to be assigned to task. Right, and then you can begin filling out the ticket. So in here, for instance, you might just summary account locked. Components, Active Directory, due date, today. You can just fill this out, whatever hypothetical ticket that you want to create, you can fill it out using your best judgment just to get some experience with that. Then for the description, you might put something like, user forgot password unlocked. Again, attempts. And of course, you can hit assign to me. You can set the priority according to whatever ticket you're dealing with. Impact moderate. You can set the time estimation of how long it's going to take you to resolve the issue approximately. There's more fields. So automatically listed here. Affected services. These are some more fields that will appear that they're not set up with this interface because I haven't really configured it in detail yet. But you can kind of just play with the basic fields that are listed there, and then you can go ahead and create your ticket. All right, so now you can view the issue, or you can click queues, and it'll be in there as well to click on it. Account locked. All right, so description right here. So you can see the title of the ticket is the account locked, and the description is the user forgot their password and locked their account after too many login attempts. All right, so now we can go to open. We can go ahead and start working on it, right? All right, so we can go ahead and start progress. Now, I didn't send anything to the customer yet, but what you can do, I've already updated the status of this ticket to work in progress. So that indicates that we're currently working on it. What you can do right here is, you can either, put an internal note so that you can communicate with your internal, team members about this particular ticket. If you want to boost a little bit of morale, you can just put something like, you know, fourth time this week. Right? You can put something like that, and if you save that, the cool thing about this is an internal note, right? So only other, let's say hypothetically, only other help desk technicians would be able to see this internal note. If the situation's a bit more complicated than this, then you might add a more serious internal note, such as detailing the steps you took to try and resolve the issue so that people know, the steps that have been taken to work on this particular ticket. Or, you can use this reply to customer function. You can indicate, I will be unlocking your right, send them a message. So now, the customer knows that, or the user knows that you're working on the ticket that they've submitted. So let's say, you go into Active Directory, you unlock their account, you reset their password, you provide that to the user. Then what you can do is reply to them again. Account. ABC 1, 2, 3. Hopefully it's not that simple in real life, you know what I'm saying? But they should change it anyways afterwards. Please try to save. All right, so now, we sent another message to the customer letting them know we've unlocked their account, we've reset their password, and asked them to try to log in. So let's say they follow up with us and they say, hey, I'm back in. Thank you so much. Great. You can go ahead and update this ticket to say mark as done. Resolution, done. And then there's really nothing else that we need to indicate here. So we could just mark it as done. And after you've marked it as done, this ticket should completely disappear from the queue now. So it would previously would have been in this open tickets queue. Actually, it is. Okay, you just saw it for half a second. Now it's gone and it's been resolved. All right, and as a bonus, I should have done this before, but I forgot to. Because everyone knows that dealing with a standard white interface is totally for the birds. And so as a bonus, if you want to change the theme and be an absolute G, simply go here, go to theme. And now you're dealing with Jira as it should be dealt with. All right, that's all I'm going to say for this one. If you have any questions, let me know down below. All right, take care.